I'm gonna show you how to join Ink Game Discord server. So to get started, you have to open your Discord app, or you can open it in website. So from there, just have to go to the left side pane right here, and you will see a plus button right there, and the bottom one, add server. After that, you just have to go click and then go to join a server on the bottom one, and then from there you just have to paste the link of the Discord server, or since Ink Game server is, just type in Ink Game word. You make sure that if you click on any browser or any link, make sure that it is safe so you won't get scammed. So from there, you just have to go to join server, and then from there you have now joined the Ink Game server. So to access any sites or any chats from the Discord server, just have to verify. Just follow the instructions how to verify on their Discord server. So that's it. That's how you join the Ink Game Discord server.